Previous modules, we talked about the process for submitting, reporting, and publishing jobs. In this module, we're going to just do a quick supplemental piece about where do those jobs appear within the file tree. The assumption is that you've been working with Sitecore for a little while and you're somewhat familiar with the basics, but just a quick overview to show you where these jobs appear. Once you log in, you can easily access, this is called the Launchpad. Site admins will be redirected here upon login. Everyone else will log into the desktop. And the desktop is a more versatile workspace. It's very similar to a computer desktop where you can open multiple applications and kind of toggle between them. While that's loading, I'm going to go to the Find a Job and just quickly review this page. So the Find a Job application is intended to be a job board for internally vetted jobs. So as jobs are submitted, they'll appear on this page here. If you're someone searching for a job, then you can use the filter your search options here to go through those various jobs based on different criteria. So for now, it's a somewhat limited scope, but you can sort by categories, keywords, job types, meaning contract, full-time or part-time, and location. You can also sort by date range, but typically these results are going to be most recent at the top. So you'll notice this registered nurse is one we created for the other training module. So if we go back to the desktop, essentially what we're going to do is we're going to go into the content editor, which, like I said, you can either get to through the Launchpad or on the desktop if you go down to the Sitecore Start menu, which is this Sitecore icon here. Think of it like a Windows Start menu where you click it and all your most recently used applications appear. For Sitecore, it's all your applications, so that's easy enough. So we're going to go into the content editor. The content editor is a place to compose new content. Page types works in tandem with the experience editor, which is a little more complicated but a little more intuitive in some ways. So right now we're going to focus specifically on the jobs. The job board exists on umc.org. So as you log in, you notice that this Sitecore item, which is the primary instance that all of our sites reside within, is expanded. And here inside the content we have our sites along with a couple of other options. So here we have umc.org, and if we open up home, inside the UMC home we have all these different types of data. Find a Job is here, and you just expand it and there's a jobs folder that holds all the jobs. It's very similar to the content folder in that it's stored chronologically: year, month, day, and hour, and minute. So there's our registered nurse position that was created yesterday, and that's where you can find the various jobs.